Hello, and welcome to today's webinar on 2025 data storage challenges, which are HCI, and virtualization and safety. We'll talk about hi Bernd, hi Tony. My name is Patryk, and I will be your host for this session. We are going to explore how OpenEGV DSS can enhance your IT infrastructure and improve its performance, scalability, and reliability. So let's check agenda. Here is what we will cover today. First, of course, I will introduce our company, OpenE, and say just a few words about us. Next, we will discuss current IT market mood after VMware takeover. Everyone heard about this. Hello everyone. And we'll also talk about OpenEGV DSS as a hypervisor-agnostic data storage. We'll ask a question: what does OpenEGV DSS bring to virtualized environments? I will show you also deployment examples, and at the end, we'll make a Q&A session. So let's talk about us. At OpenE, we believe our people are our greatest asset. Our team consists of over 50 professionals with expertise in various areas, including programming, UX design, marketing, and sales. We strive to cultivate a collaborative environment that encourages both personal and professional growth. With more than 25 years of experience, actually 26th, we had 26th anniversary this year. OpenE has a long track record of success in the global IT market. We've built strong relationships with our channel and technology partners to deliver solutions that meet the ever-evolving needs of our customers. OpenE is a global leader in data storage software with over 40,000 installations in more than 100 countries. Huge numbers. We take pride in our diverse and experienced team, which operates in the US, Germany, Poland, and Japan. Over the years, we have earned a strong position on the market and formed many successful partnerships with companies such as Toshiba, VMware, or Intel. As it is compatible with the majority of hardware available on the market, those who need both flexibility and reliability will no doubt appreciate our competitive pricing and find that our storage solution is their go-to choice. All right, so just a few words about us. I believe after 26 years, a lot of people know OpenE, so we can move on to the next topic, which is current mood on the IT market following the VMware takeover. The IT market has recently been shaken by Broadcom acquisition of VMware. The new subscription-based license model introduced by Broadcom, along with increased cost and challenging partner program requirements, has caused frustration for many. Customers are now looking for alternatives to reduce their dependency on VMware hypervisor. So the question here is, how do you break free from hypervisor lock-in? And the answer is software-defined data storage, which is OpenEGV DSS. Software-defined data storage, that is a method for managing and protecting data storage with a software layer that is independent of the hardware and creates a logical storage space for data. This allows you to use the benefits of software agnosticism, which is the hypervisor agnosticism, while still being hardware independent. So in our case, you can use hypervisor of your preference. As I mentioned before, Our product is hypervisor-agnostic, meaning it supports VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V, Citrix, Proxmox, and other leading virtualization platforms. By using our software, you are not tied to a single vendor. So just an example, for a few days ago, we have right now, this is good to mention about also DSS VS7 end of life. Currently, we are working on the project when we are moving from, one customer is moving from this DSS V7 storage based on VM Hyper-V to Joven DSS, and it will be also based on VM by Microsoft Hyper-V. So yeah, as I mentioned. With OpenEJoven DSS, this is example. Also, yeah, Joven DSS is VMware certified. It offers several key benefits for users for virtual environments, such as cost-effective, flexible, and scalable. So our product provides a solution that allows business to manage their storage efficiently without being tied to expensive exclusive systems. Intuitive web GUI simplifies storage administration. Easy to use interface allows administrators to manage storage configurations and monitor system without the need for extensive technical expertise. Professional technical support. OpenE ensures that expert help is always available for its customers, providing guidance and solutions to any issues that may arise during storage administration. So yeah, in short, OpenEJoven DSS is all-in-one data storage solution that integrates well with VMware and also other virtualization platforms, and offering built-in backup for virtual environments while maintaining high flexibility and scalability. If you would like to learn more about this, please download our informative brochure to learn how our data storage software integrates with various hypervisors, offering flexible, scalable solutions and professional support. OpenEJoven DSS offers also several critical advantages for modern data storage environments, including flexible data storage space. So our software provides the ability to scale your storage needs as your data grows, ensuring efficient utilization of available resources. Manufacturer independence, so you are not locked into a specific hardware vendor, allowing you to choose the best components for your setup, which can reduce cost, of course, and improve system flexibility. Scalability, as your business grows, your storage infrastructure can grow with it. OpenEJoven DSS enables easy scaling to meet increasing data demands without major overhauls or downtime. Centralization of data. OpenEJoven DSS allows you to centralize your data management, providing a single point of control for your storage resources, which simplifies administration and improves overall data access. So here are some of standout features of our solution. Of course, ZFS and Linux-based, a reliable hardware-independent foundation, supports multiple protocols, full support for iSCSI, NFS, SMB, CIFS, and Fiber Channel. Hyper-converged virtualization, a powerful solution for virtualized environments. On-site and off-site data protection, ensuring your data is safe and recoverable. High availability cluster, a feature that guarantees continuous operation even in the event of hardware failure. When it comes to data protection, OpenEJoven DSS stands out with its multi-layered approach. By integrating advanced features such as RAID, snapshots, and self-healing capabilities, it ensures that your data remains secure and accessible at all times. Whether it's protecting against virus attacks, disks failures, or human errors, OpenEJoven DSS guarantees robust protection for your critical information. As you can see on the solution here on the screen, on and offsite data protection and the risks, we have countermeasure on all of the risk mostly in this solution, not for the downtime here. In the next point, next solution, next example, in a high availability environments, such as high availability cluster, OpenEGV DSS goes a step further. Its high availability cluster architecture safeguards both integrity and business continuity, even in the event of system failures. Tools like snapshots, write configurations, and remote server backups work seamlessly together to minimize downtime, ensuring that operations uninterrupted and data loss is avoided. So here on this example, only what is not measured is system failure and natural disaster, as there is no offsite backup in this example. Next example is maximum data storage protection. So our product offers not only securing against disk failures, of course, but also against small several incidents, such as natural disasters, through a combination of write technology and offsite backups. Business can trust their data is shielded from both local and large-scale threats. This level of protection makes OpenEGV DSS ideal for enterprises that require constant interpreted access to their information. So here, all the risks have a countermeasure and instant restore time. Another crucial aspect of effective data protection is RTO and RPO. RTO, recovery time objective, and RPO, recovery point objective. These two metrics define how quickly your system can recover and how much data might be lost in the event of a failure. OpenEGV DSS excels at minimizing both RTO and RPO, allowing business to recover their data swiftly and with minimal disruption, ensuring that even in critical scenarios, data loss is kept to a minimum. For a deeper dive into the full capabilities of OpenEGV DSS, I really invite you to download our brochure. Inside, you will find detailed information on how we ensure maximum data protection, high availability, and business continuity. Next, we have what does OpenEGV DSS bring to virtualized environments. OpenEGV DSS brings a range of benefits to both existing and new virtualized environments. Virtualization effectively manages and maximizes your hardware's performance. It's also an efficient data storage method, allowing you to select the hypervisor that the best meets your needs. Importantly, OpenEGV DSS is, as mentioned before, hypervisor-agnostic, meaning it can seamlessly integrate with whatever solution you prefer, which is Proxmox or VMware also, of course, or Microsoft Hyper-V, KVM, all of them. The system operates with hyper-converged infrastructure, combining storage, networking, and virtualization. Within provisioning, it reduces the allocated capacity, which means less hardware is required. Additionally, resource management becomes fully flexible, enabling scalability and extra savings. A fully virtualized system makes it easier to introduce new solutions and accelerates many critical business processes. What's more, the IT infrastructure becomes much more secure and can be restored much faster in the event of disaster. It's important to note that 80% of OpenE deployments include virtualization, whether for data storage is in virtualized environments or virtualized storage itself. Also, moving from a traditional physical environment to a traditional virtual environment can save between 20 to and 80% in energy costs. By transitioning further into a hyper-converted infrastructure, you can achieve additional energy savings of up to 31%, as distributed data storage is integrated into the system. So in really big projects and storages, it's really big numbers here. Yes, Joey. Yes, of course. Yes. Of course, we'll share the presentation. There will be also a YouTube video, so no worries. Okay, so let me show deployment examples that you can create with our, of course, features as on-site and offsite data protection, high availability clusters, and adding hypervisors. So the first, in this scenario, OpenEdge Event DSS functions as the storage backend, providing a reliable and efficient solution for hypervisors like VMware, Hyper-V, or KVM. This setup is especially suited for environments where storage needs to be separated from computer resources. Advantages here are higher storage performance, so optimize it for fast and right operations, and enhancing performance for IO-intensive applications. User-friendly configuration, so intuitive interface, allows for a quick setup and management, reducing errors and saving time. Flexible hardware options, hypervisor-agnostic and hardware-independent, enabling easy scaling and integration with various systems. Only the disadvantages here are, of course, higher overall cost. It requires additional hardware for storage, which can increase overall infrastructure expenses as there is two nodes, and potential for hardware failure. Separate hardware components introduce the risk of failures, which can lead to downtime and data loss if not properly managed. Next example will be the setup that is deployed as a virtualized storage with a high availability cluster of including VMware hypervisors. But of course, as mentioned before, this can be on other hypervisor. This example provides an advanced solution for enterprise needing robust data protection and continuous availability. The advantages here is that this example, this solution eliminates single point of failure. So the system prevents a single point of failure by enabling failovers between storages and hypervisors exchanging over reliability. Uninterrupted operation, ensures continuous operation during typical failure scenarios, minimizing downtime and maintaining data accessibility. And here again, disadvantages. Disadvantage is higher cost because of using two nodes. But this is always, it depends of customer needs. Here, OpenEdge Event DSS in this example is deployed as a virtualized storage directly within the hypervisor. This is a compact yet powerful solution for organizations aiming to virtualize both storage and computer resources on a single platform. Advantages here are complete remote management, so enables full management of storage resources from anywhere, simplifying administrative tasks and enhancing flexibility, faster deployment. Compared to hardware-based storage backends, OpenEdge Event DSS allows for quicker implementation, reducing setup time for new environments. Reduced hardware requirements, less physical hardware is needed, leading to lower cost and simplified infrastructure. Two disadvantages here: lower memory performance, thus this is only one CPU, Performance may be impacted as the CPU resources are shared among the hypervisor's memory and virtual machines, potentially leading to slower responses times. And of course, single point of failure relying on the hypervisor for both storage and compute creates a risk, as any failure in the hypervisor can lead to downtime for all associated resources. Finally, OpenE-driven DSS can be deployed as a storage backend in a fully virtualized hyper-converged infrastructure, HCI, where storage, compute, and networking resources are tightly integrated. As you can see, a lot of advantages here. So first of all, fully virtualized infrastructure gives you, that is including storage, compute, and networking, allowing for compute configurability and flexibility, reduce complexity, simplifies the IT infrastructure, making management easier and reducing the potential for errors. Standard hardware compatibility, so can be deployed on a standard x86 hardware, allowing organizations to utilize existing resources and avoid vendor lock-in. Efficient maintenance and administration, so streamlined processes result in more effective maintenance and management, saving time for IT teams. Low total cost of ownership. In many scenarios, the integration of resources can lead to lower overall cost, making it a cost-effective solution. Only one disadvantage here, not suitable for all applications, which means particularly those involving big data processing or production environments that demand the highest possible performance. So yes, this was the examples. We are flexible here, so you can build a lot of other solutions with various hypervisors. But yeah, that was all what I wanted from the examples. What I wanted to show you. Yeah, and I believe briefly we can move to Q&A sessions. So please feel free to ask the questions. If I am not able to answer, our team will be happy to answer. So if you have any questions, feel free. Which hypervisor do you recommend as a replacement of VMware, Tony? Of course, it would be best for me to recommend VMware, as OpenE-driven DSS is certified with it. Also, looking at the current situation, it is best to test all the hypervisors you can use. We can you can get in touch with us, use a trial license of Java DSS, test it with any hypervisor you want. We can also support you with this and help you, and then you can choose which hypervisor will suit you the best. What is migration path from OpenE to Java? You mean OpenE DSS v7, right? Okay, so we have whole documents how to migrate the data. It always depends because there is a lot of scenarios. It also, in technical way, the question is if you are using a cluster with v7 or only single node. Also, if you want to use the same hardware or not. If yes, we need to check your bill of materials if your hardware meets the Java requirements. And next, we have whole document how our team will be happy to help you with migration. Please, if you are using DSS v7, if you can send me an email or something, or call me, send a boom, and we'll be happy to show you how to do this, send document, and yeah. Now in SAIS again, it also depends, because if you have active support, we can just exchange with the support of Jovian, so we are flexible. You're welcome. Another questions? Okay. This is a difficult question for me. Okay, so all right. If there is no ETAP for update the 31, should be we have October, so it should be in this month, I believe. For Java, of course, if we talk about Java, because there is no more updates for the SSV7 for Java update 31 should be in this month, but yeah, I'll keep you posted. Okay, guys, if there is no other questions, I hope if you have any or any questions arise, please send us an email and or call me. I'm always here for you. We are always here for you. And yeah, thank you for joining today's webinar. I appreciate your time and hope you found the information helpful. Yes, if you want to test any of hypervisor, please let me know. Our team will be happy to assist you with testing. This is also good knowledge for us because we are learning all the time. So yeah, feel free to reach us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.